Everyone, so in this video we'll see the architecture in mobile computing. Okay, architecture basically is nothing but the structure and design of the system. So how do we how is the structure and the design of the system, how is it done? So there are basically divided in two types. Okay, client server architecture, and second one is peer to peer architecture. Now client server architecture is nothing but in this the setup involves a client device. Okay, what happens here? The setup involves a client device like your smartphone that interacts with a central server. So there is a client device and client device is your smartphone. Okay, one second. Client device is your smartphone that interacts with what? It interacts with the central server. Clear? This client now sends requests and the server processes them, returning the results. Okay, what happens here? Basically this is the setup. Okay, this is nothing but this is the setup where this client device, our smartphone, it interacts with a central server, and this client sends requests and the server processes them, it returning the results. Example, when you use a mobile, okay, now app that fetches data from a server, example your social media app, whatever information you ask for, they'll give you the data, right? So when you use a mobile phone that fetches data from a server, that is what is client server architecture. Client is interacting with the central server directly. Peer to peer architecture is nothing but in this type mobile devices communicate directly with each other without any, here there's no central server. Okay, here there's no central server, they communicate directly with each other. They act both as clients and servers. They act as clients and servers. Clear? And then they share resources or information. Example, sharing files between smartphone without using the internet, like Bluetooth and all we have, right? So you're sharing files between the smartphone without using the internet. I'll explain you again. Peer-to-peer architecture is nothing but these devices communicate directly with each other without a central server. Here they interact using a client device and a central server. Clear? This is nothing but what do you say, the architecture in mobile computing, client server architecture and peer-to-peer architecture. Thank you so much. Guys, one more thing, if you like this video, just try to forward in your student group so that